In today's fast-paced digital landscape, the demand for real-time applications is more significant than ever. Users expect seamless interactions and instant updates, making it crucial for developers to harness the power of modern frameworks and services. This is where Vue.js 3 and Firebase come into play, offering robust solutions for creating dynamic web applications that enhance user experience and engagement. In this video, viewers can expect to dive deep into the world of Vue.js 3 and Firebase. We will explore the core concepts of building real-time applications, providing practical skills that you can apply immediately. From setting up your development environment to deploying your app, we'll cover it all. You'll gain hands-on experience with features like Vue's reactive components and Firebase's real-time database, enabling you to create applications that respond instantly to user interactions. Vue.js stands out for its simplicity and flexibility, making it an excellent choice for developers of all skill levels. Meanwhile, Firebase offers a powerful back-end solution that simplifies data management and authentication. Together, they empower you to build dynamic, user-friendly web applications that meet the demands of today's users. Join us as we embark on this exciting journey. Understanding Vue.js 3. Vue.js 3 is a progressive JavaScript framework that has gained immense popularity for its ability to create interactive web applications. One of its core features is reactive data binding, which allows developers to link data directly to the user interface. This means that any changes in the data are automatically reflected in the UI, providing a seamless experience for users. Coupled with its component-based architecture, Vue.js enables developers to build reusable components, making code more organized and maintainable. Compared to previous versions, Vue.js 3 introduces several significant improvements. The new Composition API offers greater flexibility and better organization of code, allowing developers to manage complex applications more efficiently. Additionally, Vue 3 boasts enhanced performance with faster rendering and smaller bundle sizes, which ultimately leads to quicker load times for users. Vue.js enhances user experience in web applications by enabling smooth transitions and animations, creating a more engaging interface. For example, when a user interacts with a form, Vue.js can provide instant feedback, such as validation messages or loading indicators, without requiring a full-page refresh. This responsiveness not only improves usability, but also keeps users engaged, making Vue.js 3 an excellent choice for modern web development. Introduction to Firebase. Firebase is a powerful backend as a service platform that has revolutionized the way developers build real-time applications. One of its standout features is the real-time database, which allows data to be synchronized across all clients in real time. This means that any changes made to the database are instantly reflected in the user interface, providing a smooth and interactive experience. Additionally, Firebase offers robust authentication services, enabling developers to easily manage user signups, logins, and security, all while ensuring a seamless user experience. What makes Firebase particularly appealing is its seamless integration with Vue.js. Together, they create a dynamic development environment where developers can focus on building engaging user interfaces while Firebase handles the back-end complexities. This synergy allows for quick setup and deployment of applications, making it easier to implement features like user authentication and real-time data updates. Applications that benefit from using Firebase include chat applications, collaborative tools, and live dashboards. For instance, a chat app can leverage Firebase's real-time database to ensure that messages are delivered instantly to all users, while a collaborative tool can allow multiple users to edit documents simultaneously. With Firebase, developers can create responsive, real-time applications that enhance user engagement and satisfaction. Setting up the development environment. To get started with building dynamic applications using Vue.js and Firebase, it's essential to set up your development environment correctly. First, you'll need a few necessary tools and software. Node.js, which includes NPM, Node Package Manager, a code editor like Visual Studio Code, and the Vue CLI, command line interface, for scaffolding your Vue applications. Let's walk through the installation process step by step. First, download and install Node.js from the official website. This will also install NPM, which you'll use to manage your project dependencies. Once Node.js is installed, open your terminal or command prompt and run the command npm install -vue/e to install the Vue CLI globally on your machine. Next, to integrate Firebase, you'll need to install the Firebase SDK. In your terminal, navigate to your project directory and run npm install Firebase. This command will add Firebase to your project, allowing you to access its features. I encourage you to follow along as we set up this environment together. By the end of this process, you'll have a fully functional development setup ready for building your Vue.js and Firebase applications. Let's get started. Building a simple application. In this section, we'll walk through the process of building a simple web application using Vue.js and Firebase. Let's start by creating our Vue components. Components are the building blocks of a Vue application, allowing you to encapsulate functionality and manage state effectively. For our example, we'll create a basic component for adding and displaying notes. First, create a new component called NoteAppV. In this component, we'll define a data property to hold our notes and methods to add and remove notes. Vue's reactivity will ensure that any changes to the notes array automatically update the user interface. Next, let's connect our application to Firebase for data storage and retrieval. In your NoteAppVue file, import Firebase and initialize it with your project's configuration. Use Firebase's real-time database to store notes. When a user adds a note, push it to the Firebase database and set up a listener to retrieve notes in real time, ensuring that all users see the latest updates. I encourage you to experiment with additional features such as adding user authentication, implementing note categories, or creating a search function. This hands-on approach will deepen your understanding of Vue.js and Firebase while enhancing your application's functionality. Let's get coding. Implementing real-time features. Real-time data synchronization is a game-changer for web applications, significantly enhancing user engagement and experience. Users today expect instant updates, whether they're collaborating on a document, chatting with friends, or tracking live data. By implementing real-time features, your application can provide immediate feedback and updates, making it more interactive and responsive. To set up real-time features in your application using Firebase, you'll need to establish listeners that respond to changes in your database. For example, if you're working with a notes application, you can set up a listener to retrieve notes from Firebase. Here's a simple code snippet to illustrate this. JavaScript, Firebase. Database. Ref, notes. On, value, snapshot. 1, const notes, snapshot. Val, this dot, notes, or for notes, object dot, values, notes. In this code, we're using the on method to listen for changes at the notes reference in the Firebase database. Whenever a note is added, updated, or deleted, this listener will trigger, updating the notes array in your Vue component automatically. As you implement these real-time features, think about how they enhance user engagement. For instance, users can see their changes reflected instantly, fostering a sense of collaboration and immediacy that keeps them coming back for more. Testing and debugging. Testing and debugging are crucial steps in the development process, ensuring that your Vue.js and Firebase applications run smoothly and efficiently. To effectively test your Vue.js components, you can use tools like Vue Test Utils and Jest. Vue Test Utils provides a set of utilities for testing Vue components, while Jest is a powerful testing framework that allows you to write unit tests and snapshot tests. By writing tests for your components, you can catch issues early and ensure that your application behaves as expected. When it comes to debugging Firebase integration, there are several common practices you can adopt. First, make use of the Firebase console to monitor your database and authentication status. This can help you identify issues with data retrieval or user authentication. Additionally, utilize console logging in your application to track the flow of data and pinpoint where things might be going wrong. For example, logging the output of your Firebase queries can help you verify that you're receiving the expected data. I encourage you to share your debugging experiences in the comments section. Whether you faced challenges with real-time data synchronization or encountered issues with authentication, your insights can help others in the community learn and grow. Let's support each other in mastering these essential skills. In this video, we've explored the exciting world of building dynamic web applications using Vue.js and Firebase. We started by discussing the importance of real-time applications in modern web development and how Vue.js 3's reactive data binding and component-based architecture make it an ideal choice for creating user-friendly interfaces. We then delved into Firebase as a powerful backend solution, highlighting its real-time database and authentication features that seamlessly integrate with Vue.js. We also walked through the process of setting up your development environment, building a simple application, and implementing real-time features that enhance user engagement. Finally, we covered essential testing and debugging techniques to ensure your application runs smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others who might benefit from this content. Your support helps us create more valuable resources for the community. Don't forget to explore our related videos and resources available on our channel or website. There's a wealth of information waiting for you to dive into, so keep learning and building amazing applications with Vue.js and Firebase. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.